Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a fire, not only with a lighter or a match, but there's other methods we can use. Okay, of course, we all know we can start a fire with a lighter. Here's other methods you can use. This is like an atomic lighter that, of course, is out of juice, but what it does is it puts out an electrical spark right there and it lights things up. It's pretty cool. So this is USB. It's pretty nice. You can use lip balm. Of course, we can use these rods, and that's the method we're going to use today, is the rod. And you can get magnesium, other things as well. Other method is steel wool with a 9-volt battery or a cell phone battery if you still have a phone that has the battery that comes out. You can use lint with a toilet paper roll. Here's more lint from the dryer. I also will show you how I did this. This is cotton balls dipped in wax. Of course, you have twine you can use, and tampons, and you can use cotton balls. Dry leaves can be used, as well as bark from a tree. Especially the cedar tree is perfect for that. Since I don't have any tree bark available to me right now, I'm going to use wood shavings and a bird's nest that I found on the ground. With these fairy rods, you have to make sure that you scrape off the black to where you get to the gray part. Amazing. There's a few other things you can use. My lighter didn't even work, so make sure you bring a lighter that works. They're great things to have or to make just for fun, or in case that there's an emergency or you're out camping and you need it. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already and want to see more videos, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell below to be notified next time a video is posted. Continue exploring.